Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So today we will study about adaptations in plants. You see coconut tree, pine tree in other part of the India. Like coconut tree grow in the coastal plains and pine tree grows in the hilly areas. Many trees grow in different part of the India. Like some grows on the plain, some in the water, some above float on the water and some in the water, some in the hilly areas, some in the mountains, some in the coastal plains. So the modification in the structure and function of an organism to adjust to its habitat are called adaptations. Many plants adapt to their surroundings, like the water lily floats on water. Coconut tree grows in the coastal plains. Cactus plant grows in the desert. So many plants have different adaptations. First is terrestrial plants. The plants that grows on land are called terrestrial plants. Okay, so plants like neem, banyan, mango, people, etc. These plants grows on the plains, and these plants does not shed their leaves. So these are called evergreen plants. Some plants like teak, shisham, sal, all these grows in the plain also. Some plants like fir, pine, cedar, all these plants grow in the hilly areas, in the mountains, and these plants does not shed their leaves also. These all are called evergreen plant. Plants like cactus, babool, mesquite bush all grows in the desert. They are all are adapted to the desert. They store water in their leaves. Some plants grows in the coastal areas like coconut. Coconut tree grow in the coastal plains where lot of humidity are there, lot of salty water are there, and when a coconut ripe, they fall into the water and they disperse from one place to another by water. Some plants live in water, inside the water, and some float on the water. All these are called aquatic plants. For example, like water hyacinth, duckweed float on the water. They have broad leaves. They are also called as floating plants. They have stomata present on the upper side of the leaves only. Some plants are fixed plant. For example, water lily. These plants are fixed to the water. They does not float on the water. Some plants are underwater plants. They live inside the water and they also purify the water. They have thin leaves. For example, tape grass, hydrilla, seaweed. Some plants are unusual and special plants. First, insectivorous plants. For examples, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, sundew. All these plants are called insectivorous plants as they eat insect. Like Venus flytrap trap the insect inside them and they eat that insect. Parasites. Some plants are called parasites also, as they eat, as they grow in the bodies of the other plants and animals. For example, tapeworm, roundworm, they enter in our body and cause many diseases. Saprophytes. Some fungi like bread mold, mushroom, and they are called saprophyte as they get their food from dead and decaying matter. There are various uses of plants also, like we get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, beverages, nuts, all from plants. Some medicines we also get from plant. Some cotton, jute, flax we also get from plants also, and we get many oils from the seeds of the plant. Wood we also get from the plant. So that's all for today.